we are going to use the same model as before, and we are going to do a multi-sun analysis in 3DSMAX. I'm just going to show you how to set up the sun, daylight. On the right hand side panel, you could choose the daylight. Like this. You could choose the angle, and you could choose either the date and time like this, or you could even get the location. The default location would be the North America or something, but you could change it to the Australia or whichever you want. Um, Here I'm just going to change the position of the sun where the light is going to come from, and I'm going to clone this, like copy the daylight and the compass together in in two different daylight and compass, so we could do the multi-sun analysis. So we are going to choose each of the daylight and going to choose the hours for it, like at different positions, different hours, so we could see the shadows from at different positions. um, Once you can't see the shadows in the standard one, but on the top right you can choose high quality, so we can see the shadows right now. The shadows we can see, but the brightness is too much. So from the render menu, from the environment, this click on the environment, this dialog box would appear, and you could actually change the tint. If you change the tint, it would look much better like this. You could actually see the multi-sun analysis from different angles. Um, Here I'm just changing the sun to get better observation. Yep, as you can see here. Thank you for watching.